Good morning, cousins, and welcome to the Nash house. Now I'm gonna show you how I made this all natural fruit juice. And yes, I keep it up here for my kids for them to be able to get some because it's all natural. So I got this new juicer from Flip, and if you're not on Flip, make sure you connect with me. You can visit my website, which is welcome to the Nash house by Dommy.com, to go to my desire list, or you can go to my link tree and get it. Now I could not get it to start, so of course I had to have my husband to mansplain it to me, and of course it worked. Whatever. Anyway, once we got it going, I'm gonna tell you all the fruit that we put in there. We put in some fresh cut pineapple, the whole pineapple. We put in kiwis. We put in mangoes. We put in some pieces of apple too. But this fruit juice was absolutely delicious. Oh my God, and some fresh ice. Oh, and I forgot we put some easy to peel mandarin oranges in there. Probably about 6 of them. So this juice was the ultimate, sweetest, most desirable juice I think I've had in a long time. Get you a juicer, come to Flip, so you can see the link, because I'm going to attach this video to the actual product. And get you a juicer. It is so much better for you. You get all of your vegetables and fruits that you need for the entire week in one juice. So I try to make juice at least once a week, like I said, with all natural fruit. Nothing else added. Just some ice. And the kids will drink it up. And then we drink water for the rest of the time until I feel like either making another juice. I might get Simply and add it with some fruit. All right, you know where I'm gonna put it. Ask Daddy for a cup. Ask Daddy for a cup.
Yeah, sure.
This is our juice dispenser.
All right, the first time is finished.
Thanks for watching. All right, cousins, make sure you follow for more. Love you.